In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where. As you can see, after that mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!